Hi guys, I'm Chaya. Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. This is a tutorial for this makeup look matching with my white top. I like to match my makeup with my outfit, and I have a couple of white dresses and I always struggle to match a makeup look with them. So I played with some colors by my own and came up with this makeup look. I wanted to do a smoky eye makeup look with my white top, and I also wanted to involve this gray color in my eye makeup. So this is what I did and I love it. But I care about your opinion, so please let me know what you think about doing a gray smoky eye makeup look matching with your white top or any white outfit you have. Hit that like button if you liked anything about this video, and also share with your friends. I hope this will be helpful and you enjoy the video. Let's start the makeup look. Just after a face wash, the first thing I apply is a C vitamin serum. I feel a C vitamin serum gives instant glow to the skin and also makes my skin smooth to apply moisturizer on the top. For moisturizer, I will be using Cetaphil's moisturizing cream. It works really nicely on my combination skin even in this dry season. The foundation that I'm taking today is a medium coverage dewy finish foundation. This is good for dry skin. People with combination skin like me can use it without any problem. I like full coverage only for some special occasions like wedding, big functions, but generally I prefer to use a medium coverage or light coverage foundation because I absolutely love that kind of base that looks like my own skin. But in case of this foundation, if you need more coverage, you can totally build it up. Now some areas of our face need more attention, more coverage, like the areas around our eyes and around the mouth, on the sides of our nose. All these areas are a little bit darker than the rest of the skin of our face. So to cover these areas and neutralize the skin color of these areas, I am applying this Inside Cosmetics Concealer Corrector in the shade Beige. Now my face is more or less even in color, but to brighten up the center of my face, I'll be using this concealer from Wet n Wild. The only purpose of using this concealer is to highlight these areas. If you are not into highlighting, you can skip this concealer. Some people who are just starting makeup may not understand the uses of a highlighting concealer. Once I blend everything, you can see the difference between my face now and before applying this concealer. My makeup base is done. Now I'll apply color to my face, and now is the time to take into consideration that I'm wearing a white top and every color I apply to my face should match with my white top. Here I'm applying a cream blush, but applying a cream blush is not necessary. I just like a cream blush beneath my powder blush. It just gives a really nice effect. It also ensures longevity of your makeup when you apply cream product before applying powder products. Powder products are mostly to set your face so that your makeup does not budge. Now after applying all the cream products, I'm setting it with a loose powder from Maybelline. Now I'll show you my brow routine, which is applying a soap or wax before applying any brow product on my brows. Applying a brow wax is an easy hack for those who do not have thick brows. So this is something I always do to make my brows look fluffy and thick. And it is also gonna maintain the shape of my brows for a long time. After applying the wax on my brows, I will wait until it dries up. And meanwhile, I will do my eye makeup. For my gray eye makeup look, I actually did not have any gray shade in any of my eyeshadow palettes. So I have this silver shade. I'm gonna mix it with the black shade from the same palette and try to make it look like a gray shade. But in the lower lash line, I just applied the silver shade as it is. Now I'm creating this wing line on the outer corner with the black shade. Let me tell you, I have hooded eyelids, so whenever I have to do a wing liner, I look straight. First I do the outer V and then I try to connect it with the outer corner, and I connect the outer V to my lash line by looking straight so that it is visible when I look up, and to make sure that it is not hidden in the hood of my eye. Now my aim is not to do a classic wing liner. I want to make it smoky for this makeup look, and to make it smoky I'm using the silver shade I applied before and mixing it with the black shade so that it becomes gray. So here you can see that I'm getting a pretty nice metallic gray shade. I also applied a little bit of that black shade in my inner corners, and now it looks like a halo eye makeup. I don't know, I'm doing a wing, then a halo eye makeup, then a smoky eye look. I don't know, but the end result is very nice. I absolutely liked it. But now I'm applying a peachy brown shade to diffuse that gray shade upwards, smoking it out and making sure that there is no harsh line. But the wing lines, I wanted to make them look sharp, so I applied some powder to clean the size of the line. Now I thought a kajal is essential for this look, otherwise the lower lash line looks vague. For mascara, I'm using Sugar's Lash Mob mascara, which is really nice to add volume, and it can also lengthen the eyelashes. For my bronzer and blusher, I'm using Maybelline's The Old Master Contour Palette. The contour from this palette is a perfect mix of cool and warm tones, which I think is gonna look really nice with white outfit. White is a cool tone color, so when you apply makeup to match with your white outfit, do not just apply any cool color straight away. If you apply a mixture of cool and warm tones on your skin, it will look much better. So for my blush also, I'm not using a straight pink or straight orange shade. I'm using a rosy blush, which is a mix of orange and pink. Now I'm contouring my nose with the same bronzer, and I contour only the very front portion of my nose, which makes my nose look short and cute. Now here is another thing that you can do, is that you can apply a golden highlighter in the corners of your eyes and on the usual areas where you apply highlighter. Under the sunshine, it is gonna look really pretty if you use a golden highlighter, and it is gonna match with your white outfit as well. For my lip color, I'll apply the same blush I used before. Now this is a really nice rosy pink lip tint, and it will look really nice with no makeup looks. But in this makeup look, to make it look more cool, on the top of it, I'm gonna apply this Raspberry lip oil in the shade Nude Pink. Now finally, I'll apply color to my brows because my brows look really light right now. To apply color, I use this brow product from PAC Cosmetics. This is a cream product, and I'm applying only on the areas where I do not have brow hair. The right way to apply any cream eyebrow product is to use a very thin eyebrow brush and draw brow-like strokes. Do not try to fill the whole brow with this cream, otherwise it will look artificial. The final step is to apply false eyelashes. I applied a very natural looking false eyelashes from PAC. It is their M75 or M72. I'll mention in the description. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you liked it. Also share your opinion about this look, a gray eye makeup look matching with your white outfit, yay or nay. But if you liked it, do not forget to hit that like button and also subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.